take a look at this. Will the SEC appeal? Ripple legal chief addresses potential moves after XRP case ruling. Based on the fact that Judge Analisa Torres granted Ripple an incomplete victory in court, the legal chief of the firm, Stuart Alderoty, has stated that the SEC should not appeal the decision if the United States government is interested in encouraging the use of cryptocurrencies. On top of that, he stated that the SEC was unsuccessful in all of the significant battles, including the question of whether or not XRP is a security in and of itself. And he is of the opinion that Ripple has ultimately been defeated by the SEC. The XRP community experienced its most momentous day to yet as Judge Analisa Torres finally handed down her decision regarding the ongoing legal struggle between Ripple and the SEC, which has been going on for 4 years. We stated that she discovered that Ripple ought to have registered its sales of XRP to skilled investors as securities. As a result of this discovery, she ordered that the business pay a fine of $125 million to the Securities and Exchange Commission. On the other hand, the judge ruled with Ripple in the other significant disputes, such as the question of whether or not XRP is inherently a security. This resulted in a significant increase in the selling price of XRP. In an interview that took place not too long ago with CNBC, Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, provided an analysis of the verdict, which he referred to as a significant victory for the firm as well as for the industry. While speaking with Mackenzie Sigalos of CNBC, Alderoty expressed that we are feeling really good about it. The struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission was critical for the sector, he noted, because the SEC has been publicly opposed to cryptocurrency ever since Gary Gensler came over as chairman. However, it is essential to keep in mind that Gensler's predecessor, Jay Clayton, was the one who initiated the legal action against Ripple, and that Gensler had only inherited the case. I believe that they were unsuccessful in achieving everything that was dear to them. Trying to establish that a token itself, in this case XRP, can be considered a security was severely rejected by the court. He remarked, XRP is a token. In the decision that she handed down, Judge Torres made the observation that an asset, whether it be gold or a cryptocurrency such as XRP, cannot be regarded a security itself. Furthermore, a firm has the ability to package this asset as if it were a security. In this scenario, the company would be accountable for violations of security law. According to Alderoty's explanation, this is the offense for which Ripple was found guilty. After conducting an investigation, the judge came to the conclusion that some previous sales commencing around the year 2015 should have been registered under the securities laws due to the manner in which those sales were packaged with skilled third parties. However, that particular aspect of the decision is the one that we respect. Ripple was given 30 days by Judge Torres to pay the fine, and Alderoty has stated that the firm will comply with the order. After this, he has high hopes that the Securities and Exchange Commission will be able to move on from the company and concentrate on other issues that are more urgent. In addition, he has high hopes that the verdict will allow the government of Vice President Joe Biden to reverse its aggressive anti-crypto character and instead capitalize on the potential of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency to develop the economy of the United States instead. Ripple, for its part, is eager to put the drama that occurred in the courtroom behind it and concentrate on its business. We wish to concentrate on expanding our company's operations both domestically and internationally in the future. The clarity that this litigation has offered to us is something that we appreciate. XRP is currently trading at 0.5. and it has been trading sideways over the previous day following a significant increase on the back of the verdict. The judgment was a major setback for the SEC's attempts to regulate the Bitcoin market. U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission Chair Gary Gensler said his agency was still reviewing the court's decision, but he was pleased with the part of the decision where the judge said Ripple shouldn't have sold its XRP tokens to high net worth individuals directly. Gensler stated that the long-awaited regulation regarding climate disclosures was still in the works within the agency. And Gensler went on to say that they were working on certain regulations for AI, which he said was dangerous for investors and the economy. The sale of XRP on public exchanges did not violate any federal securities laws, according to a judgment handed out by a U.S. judge on July 13. The cryptocurrency industry scored a major win with this ruling, which sent the token's value soaring. Although this ruling is unique to this case, it could serve as ammo for other cryptocurrency companies battling the SEC over the regulator's authority over their good. The SEC has recently sued multiple cryptocurrency firms, claiming that most Cryptocurrency tokens are securities and should therefore be registered with the agency. Beyond this, Gensler said that the SEC will need fresh ideas to deal with the threats to financial stability caused by AI and predictive analytics. The remarks delivered by Gensler are part of a broader effort by the US government to promote what they call responsible innovation, while also controlling the risks that new technologies are perceived to bring to society. According to Gensler's prepared statement, he warned that trading platforms and AI systems run the risk of creating conflicts of interest by considering the needs of both the platform and its users. He went on to say that he had given the SEC team the task of coming up with innovative regulatory approaches to deal with this problem. The present techniques of risk management may not be able to handle the increased interconnectivity of the global financial system that AI could bring about. Many of the potential future threats to financial stability posed by AI would necessitate rethinking system-wide or macro regulatory policy actions, claims Gensler. Gensler reiterated what he has said in recent months about the oversight of risks associated with AI applications in the banking sector in his remarks. Authorities are currently considering rule proposals that could be introduced later this year to control the possibility of conflicts of interest in the use of artificial intelligence, advertising, and data mining by financial advisors and broker-dealers, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission's most current agenda for creating new regulations. An update on the possible timeline for the finalization of a regulation governing the disclosure of climate risks and greenhouse gas emissions by firms to investors was also included in the program. The agenda indicates that the regulation might be completed in October. Meanwhile, Gensler said that this was not proven to be true. Gensler acknowledged that there is more work to be done. Poor me, I just can't pull it off. The staff's and the commission's readiness are the two most important factors. A previous court ruling that went in Ripple's favor in its case against the SEC caused the value of XRP to surge by 30. Major investors, frequently referred to as whales, chose to liquidate their XRP holdings after the price fell short of expectations. This happened despite the fact that the price had gone up. There will be a major shift in the value of XRP in the next days, according to blockchain connected indicators. On August 7, Ripple's XRP had a limited price increase, which resulted in a 30 increase, reaching 644 cents. And since this lower peak indicated that demand for another cryptocurrency was less than expected, the price is still lower than the all-time high of 658 cents recorded on July 30. Since reaching its peak of 64 cents, the price of XRP has fallen by 9%. With XRP trading around 5 cents right now, it's possible that the recent gains will be undone. According to experts, XRP has a good chance of making a gain early in the week. The 613 cents resistance level is expected to be tested. The blockchain data shows that XRP is going down again. Both technical analysis and blockchain statistics point to an astrological trend for XRP. You should not put your money into anything that relies on the data presented here. It is highly recommended that you consult an informed expert and do your own research before making any investing decisions.